Welcome to another video in Professional Charts and Dashboard series. In this video, we'll be looking at the steps to create dumbbell charts inside Excel. First, let us quickly understand what the dumbbell chart is, where do we use this chart, and so on. Now imagine that you have a sales data across 2 years for different flavors of ice cream. Now this data can be any 2 points in the time. Now you want to compare the increase or decrease of sales for each flavors from 2023 to 2024. Now one of the inbuilt charts which you can create in Excel is simple vertical bar chart as shown on the screen. With these bar charts, 2 years sales are shown side by side, and the reader will have to make an additional effort to see where there is a significant increase or decrease in sales. Now there is an alternative way of presenting the same information using dumbbell charts. Now on screen you can see that we have presented the same information in this dumbbell charts. Here you can see that each year sales are presented as circles and there is a connecting line between these two circles. Thus it resembles like a dumbbell. The connecting line between these two circles indicates the movement of sales in 2023 to 2024. Sales in the year 2023 are indicated by blue color, and sales in year 2024 are being presented in orange color. The year which has the higher sales is presented towards the right, and the year which has a lesser sales is presented towards the left side. You would notice that pista flavor sales in 2024 are higher as compared to 2023, and hence 2024 is presented on the right hand side. Now if we compare the strawberry flavor, where 2023 sales are greater than 2024, hence 2023 sales are presented on the right hand side. Thus, at a quick glance itself, a reader can quickly notice these two flavors where there is a significant movement in sales of 2023 versus 2024. This chart is not inbuilt in Excel, and we need to perform some workaround to create this chart in Excel. So in next video, I will show you all the steps to create this chart inside the Excel. So see you guys in next video.